Today I'm gonna pretend I'm going to Coachella, woo! And I'm gonna go ahead and do a tutorial of how I would do my makeup if I went and what I would wear. I already did my hair. It's just kind of like wavy curls. I don't know if you can see. Oop, tetas. I'm sorry.
Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. It's something for that work, 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 work. Where you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the caravan, my ta, 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 ta. Join me at deserting. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis.
I'll be picking up this mustard yellow color right here, this little one right here. And I'm just going to apply it above the crease, more like to create like that transition up here. I've been doing that lately where I build my transition and then I go back and create a lighter transition color. I saw it on someone on Instagram, I don't know who, and it actually works so much better for me. So I don't know if like that'll work for you guys. So give that a try. So yeah, I'll go with this brown color and I'm just gonna kind of try to deepen up the outer V. Back with this brown color right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just put it lightly on the edge just so I can like make sure it's well blended. Literally just kind of patting it and bringing it down. Then back with the 504 brush, I'm just going to be buffing that out. If I were to go to Coachella, obviously I would be wearing sunblock because I'm always scared to get like skin cancer. So if I want to wear like a foundation with sunblock, I would go with the Tarts Shape Tape Concealer. I would go with the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation. I really want my face to have like a very dewy look, so I'm going to mix it with the Becca Shimmer Skin Perfector. It's pretty nice. I like to mix it with my foundation, so I'm going to put a little bit of foundation. I'm going to add a few little drops, like 1 and then 2. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I was trying to put this cap into this one right here, but it's not that one. It's this one. This is also really good to put it like as a base for your highlighter, so you can do that also. And I'm just going to kind of start buffing into the skin. Then I'm going to be going with the Mega Glow Stick.
Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. It's something for that work, 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 work. Where you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the caravan, my ta, 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 ta. Join me at deserting. Nothing to have you lurking.
A couple years ago, I was living with my aunt and my cousins, and I was remembering that one time they like didn't have water, like water bottles, and I was really thirsty, so I found like this water bottle that was like randomly on the floor. I think it was on the floor. So I get it, and I was really thirsty. I took a little sip and I was like, oh, this tastes so weird. I mixed it in with the water bottle and the Lipton tea powder, and I was drinking it, and then my cousin later on was like, oh my gosh, like where did you get that water bottle from? And I told her I got it like from a random spot like in the kitchen, and she started laughing because she was like, that's holy water. I was freaking out because I didn't know if that was like a okay thing to do. I was drinking holy water, and I knew something was funny, like something was up. I'm gonna be picking up this white pencil from NYX. It's called Milk. I'm putting the bottom of my lash line, and I'm baking right here just so I can clean up my contour. And then I'm going to go back with my favorite palette, and I'm going to be picking up this blue color right here. I'm going to be blending it all the way down to my lash line. I actually don't like the white, so I think I'm going to take it off, and then I'm going to do black. Instead, I'm just going to go a little bit with the color, and I'm going to go on my waterline. Since it's white, it's going to pick up that color really quick.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done, that'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to.
Now I'm gonna be picking up the NYX glitter primer, and I have this type of glitter where it's like dark, but yet it's colorful, so I'm going to be working with that. I'm just going to put it like on the inner part of my eye and just kind of put a little bit over here. I don't know, I'm just going to play with it, so let's see how that come out.
To get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You could spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
Porque soy una pendeja, I forgot to highlight my brow bone before I even applied it. So I'm only going to be able to put highlighter on this one. And I'm not going to mess with that one. So, oh well. Today's highlighter will be the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm just going to go in with that summer only. I'm not going to mix it with any other ones. I'm using the KoKo lashes from Amore. They're still drying up. And this is a lip pencil from Essence. I don't know. Then I'm going to be going with the NYX Lingerie. And this one's in Honeymoon. For the inner part of my lips, I'm adding the NYX Soft Matte in Tokyo. This is how I would do my makeup, and now I'm going to do my hair. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do 2 braids on this side. I bought these things, on Amazon. I used them already on the Ariana Grande video. So for a tutorial to see how I use these, you can just watch that video to see.
All got along, they probably got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear
So I just finished putting all these little rings into my hair. And then I added these earrings. And honestly, I think I just re-pierced my second earring by accident. I thought they were good to be put on, the earrings. And I heard it go like... And I felt like my ear go like boom, 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 boom. So I think I just re-pierced it. The only difference I would do with my look is I would have done my hair parted this side instead and then do the braids this side because I have 4 piercings here. I would have liked to like put all my 4 earrings and then have it braided and then show it. So all those accessories. And then I highlighted my collarbone just to be extra as fuck. And if you guys like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you guys haven't. Thanks for watching. I